How do I best determine protein intake for my extremely active lifestyle with moderate to heavy exercise? For most of my patients, I have the same protocol. I know, and this is in the book, I know that a sedentary person usually requires about 0.8 of a gram of protein per kilogram of body weight. And if you weigh in pounds, you divide it by 2.2 and you'll get kilograms. And one gram of protein per kilo, and in an ounce of a protein food, there are 6 grams of protein usually. So if you're sedentary, you start with 0.8 grams per kilo. If you're a professional athlete, you might need 5 grams per kilo. If you're a non-professional but very active and athletic, you might need 1.3 or 1.5 grams per kilo. Well, I've had patients come in here and say, I go to the gym 3 times a week, I'm very active, and I'll give them 1.5 grams per kilo, and they'll say to me, and I'll convert it to ounces, and it might come out to be something like 8 ounces for breakfast, 8 ounces for lunch, and 8 ounces for dinner, say. And they might say to me, I can't eat that much. No way can I fit that into my stomach. So what we do is we'll take a guess at the grams per kilo, convert it to ounces, and then see if that's going to make us feel too full. And then once you try it out, you see if it makes you feel too full. Some people will find that they get hungry afterward and need more, and other people will find they need less. So it's trial and error. It's not a hard, fast rule. As you've seen so far, most of the treatment of diabetes is trial and error. And following rules that you've seen that don't work, even though they don't work, doesn't make sense. Is D-ribose in powder form good for diabetics or pre-diabetics? The D-ribose powder comes with 10 grams of sugar. So you've already answered the question. 10 grams of sugar doesn't make sense. There have been studies of some value to the use of pure D-ribose, but these are research studies that end saying larger scale studies are justified, may be justified. So they're not hard studies, and certainly eating something with sugar in it doesn't make sense.